In this video, we're looking at the iClear headphones for ages 3 and above. Hi, I'm Lee. Welcome to the channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. And this is...
Archie.
And Archie is closer to 3 and above than I am, so I thought Archie would be in a good position to let us have a look at these headphones. So Archie, let's go ahead and open them up first.
Yep.
So would you like to... I'll open that up. And then you can... Okay, so something that I like already about this is the fact that when we look at this, we can see there's a little tab to pull it open.
Yeah.
So that's nice, because very often when it's closed like that, you got to get your fingers in and try and get that. So
Yeah.
Comes with some instructions. And it looks like these are... I want to say these are like conductive headphones. So conductive headphones, basically, the headphone doesn't actually go in your ear. It sits sort of on your bone here and it transports the sound into the bone.
Yeah.
So that way you can still hear things. Or maybe it isn't. I don't know. So these are designed for... Yeah, there we go. It looks like it's conductive.
Yeah.
So these are designed for kids. They are Bluetooth headphones. They connect wirelessly. Apparently they've got a long battery life. Actually, you were reading it. What did it say the battery life was?
It said I didn't read that part, but I did read that the battery charge time is up to 2 hours.
Okay, cool. Well, we will put information down on the screen when we're editing the video. So, actually, come and have a look. Let's see. So we've got. Looks like that's where the USB port is.
Yeah.
So it's USB-C. That looks like the on button. That looks like an up and down volume thing. Do you want to just put them on and see what they how they fit?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah. They are quite comfortable.
Yeah, they're not too hard.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we will cut now and we will see about getting these connected to your iPad and then actually getting some music playing on them and you can tell it what it sounds like.
Yeah.
Cool. Back in a sec. Okay, so we've got the headphones on. We've got Archie's iPad settings. We go into Bluetooth and then, so you hold down, just turn this way so the cameras can see. So the button's back there. Yep, hang on, let me just take this off so we can do it for the camera. So the button is there. So there's the button, so we're going to hold down the button. Okay, yeah, it flashes blue and white, it flashes blue and white. And there's iClear.
That's not the right one.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it says, it was the O2. It was the OW.
Well, that's the only iClear around you, so I'm just going to connect to that and let's see if that works. Maybe the software. Oh, okay. Yep. Ah, okay. No, you're right. There we go. Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the other iClear one? Oh, that's weird.
Yeah. Connected.
It says connected?
Yeah, it said connected.
It said connected? Okay, cool. Well, let me put some music on and you can tell me what it sounds like. So I'm just going to keep playing whatever you were listening to. And then you've also got volume buttons.
Yeah.
So I don't think it's... Hang on. Can I just try them on for a second? Okay, so taking them off didn't pause it. Okay, so they're not conductive.
Yeah.
They are actually playing audio, but it's that they don't actually go into your ears.
Yeah.
Okay. So I suppose that makes it quite comfortable, and particularly if I can see why this would be good for younger people, because younger kids might not like headphones that go into their ears.
Yeah.
So this is quite a good idea for having sort of small headphones that work like that. And what's it sound like?
It sounds really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I can tell it's quite loud because you're shouting a little bit. Okay, so the volume's about halfway. I'm not going to put the volume as high as it can go because that's too loud. But let's put it halfway. So see if you can use the volume buttons on it. You know, I think the volume buttons are on the top. Yeah, there we go. So go about halfway. That's pretty loud, isn't it? So?
Yeah.
It's not too loud?
Yeah, it's not too loud.
Because I can hear it like next to you. I mean, I've got good hearing, but yeah. So maybe go a little bit loud. Tell me when it's too loud.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Turn it down if it's too loud. Yeah, like I can hear the words straight through it. So volume is pretty good.
Yeah.
I would like... See, I can't tell. I don't think... there's a thing here to limit the sound. It would be nice if there was a way See if you just put, so the power button, don't push and hold, just push it once. Cool, so I thought that would be the case. So pushing the button once does pause the music,
Yeah,
and then pushing it again.
twice,
So just push it once, and that starts the music. Now I wonder if you push it twice, like click, click, it's going to fast forward. Like,
looks like pressing it twice indicates Siri.
yeah, okay. But take that, go away Siri, not now. We don't want you, thank you very much, go away. Okay, now I'm just curious to see if we go into the settings here. Okay, so there's not really much that we can, there's device type and that's it.
Yeah.
And we can say that these are headphones. Cool. Okay, so, oh, that's interesting. So just try, and you can see there, it's showing you what device it's playing it on. Just try like quick click the bottom button. Okay, so it doesn't fast forward or rewind. So you push it once, it starts playing, push it again, switches off, stops playing. Okay, cool. And then just jump around in them a little bit. So just jump. So if you were running with them, you think it'd still be quite comfortable?
Yeah.
Yeah, they wouldn't fall off. They don't feel like they're going to fall off.
Yeah.
Like shake your head a little bit.
Yeah, those feel very firm.
Yeah, they feel nice and firm.
Yeah.
Okay, just turn around so we can see what it looks like from the back. Cool. So that's, I think we can probably take that tag off. Not right now, but yeah. So and you got
eventually.
Yeah, you got the little lights on the side. So no, you know, I think it's quite clever that they don't go in your ears.
Yeah.
So that works quite well. And what do you think, Archie? What are your final thoughts?
Yeah, I think they're really, really good because, like, especially for young kids that wouldn't want the pressure of like placing them in their ears and then the chance of them falling out.
Yes. Oh, and also, like, yeah, I suppose little kids' ears are quite small, so getting things to go in the ears. So, yeah, this is a way to get music in. A nice thing that we also discovered is that it has a microphone. Yeah. So if you were doing, like, a FaceTime chat or something like that, you could, or if you were gaming.
Yeah.
Which
would help
it could
me
work
a
with
lot.
the microphone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I love to game.
Because you do love to game.
Yeah.
I would FaceTime you from my phone, but both my phones are recording this, so that wouldn't work. But yeah, we'll have to test the microphone another time. But yeah, it has a microphone as well, which is cool.
Yeah.
So that is a look at the iClear kids open ear headphones for ages 3 and above. And it does have a safe volume thing here, so it shows you that the volume won't go too high to damage the hearing. So it won't go. Looks like it won't go past 85 or 74 dB. So I'll have to see if that's a thing. But yeah, there you go. That's a look.
Yeah.
I hope this video was helpful. I hope it was useful. If you have found it useful, please like and subscribe. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much for your support, and we'll catch you in the next one. Safe and happy, whatever it is you're doing.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
Something else we thought about, because we're actually off to New Zealand next week. Archie's mic is switched off, so just going to have to get really close if you're going to talk. And Archie was saying he wanted to wear them for the flight, which I said, because he's saying you were saying they were really comfy. Yeah. Yeah, you were saying they're really comfy. But something to keep in mind, if you're going to wear these on a plane, you probably want to get over-ear headphones for a plane, ideally with noise cancelling, because planes can be quite loud. Yeah. So these wouldn't be great for on a plane because they don't cancel out a lot of noise, and a lot of noise can get in through the ears. Although they'd be good if you were going for a walk and you need to be aware of your surroundings. So the fact that, you know, you can just turn around there so they can see. So you can see there that you can really, you know, it's not blocking the ear in any sort of way. So definitely if you want younger kids wearing these but still be aware of their surroundings from sound, I think that's a really good thing to think about. Yeah. But yeah, for a talking to my chest. Yeah. But yeah, so I think that's just something to keep in mind with these. That really good for out and about and times when you want to hear what's going on around you, but not ideal for when you do want to sort of close the world out and reduce noise and stuff like that. But yeah, Archie was so excited. He was like, I'm going to wear them for a while because they're quite comfy. Cool. Oh, good to know. So that is fairly extensive look at the iClear Kids Open Ear Headphones. Headphones? Headphones. I said headphones, didn't I? Okay,
Yeah.
let me try that again. So that is a look at the iClear. Just get that out of the way. So that is a. No, let's do that.
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You enjoy that?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like the headphones?
Yeah.
Cool.
So you can guarantee that we can't keep these.
I can't guarantee it, but I'm like
Okay.
99% sure that we get to keep them. Also, they're like
Okay.
$29.
Yeah.
So,
So even if we didn't get to keep them, we could
could
just
buy some,
Yeah, we could
yeah.
just buy some.
yeah,
We could just buy them.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I mean, $29.
That's really good for
Yeah.
your money.
Yeah, I mean that's the thing. Like they're not fancy, but I mean $29. How fancy are you gonna get
Yeah.
for $29?
Yeah.
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 Okay, cool. Well, now I've
Yeah.
got to work out what's wrong with that light back there.